How to use Stremio on TV. So there are different ways for you to use and download Stremio on your TV. And the first one is through Google Play Store. So access the Google Play Store on your smart TV, open the official App Store, find the app, in the search bar type Stremio and press the search key. Select the application, make sure you choose the official app developed by Stremio. Click the install button and let the download and installation complete. Log in or create an account, open the app and log in with an existing account or create a new one. You can also install Stremio manually with an APK file. So enable installation from unknown sources on your settings, download the APK file, transfer the APK file to the TV and install the app. Now to set it up, you need to sign in or create a new account. Explore the interface and install plugins. And that is how to use Stremio on TV.